So good evening everyone. My name is Ashutosh Siotia. I write Siotisms. Happy New Year. यार इस बार ना न्यू ईयर थोड़ा अलग था. How many people partied very hard this year? कैमरा मेरे ऊपर है, पता है, हाथ उठा सकते हो. See, okay, great. So normally क्या होता है ना कि pre-COVID era में people used to party very hard and some people had this problem ना, they rub it all in. कि यार मैंने तो यहाँ किया वहाँ किया. I remember meeting this friend and he told me कि dude, I had so much fun this New Year's Eve. I had so much fun. We went to Amsterdam and it was crazy that night. Okay, this European DJs are so amazing. मतलब there was a moment when हम बोला अच्छा इतना अच्छा था. बोला हाँ. There was a moment when he just paused the music and he just yelled at the crowd, say hey, we screamed back, hey yeah, say oh, we screamed back, oh. हम बोला dude, this is no different. हम बोला why? But this is no different. I went to a David Guetta concert in Gurgaon. The moment he paused the music, the crowd screamed, "Abe oh!" So this is not different. Being a stand-up is very tough. Okay, it's one of the hardest things you can do. Being a stand-up is very tough. People judge you the moment you tell them that you're a stand-up. So she agrees. Thank you. So I met a couple of friends some time back, and this one friend of mine, he was just introduced me. But dude, तेरे को पता है ये stand-up करता है? बोला अच्छा. And the reaction I get is pretty normal. Okay, some of the guys sitting at the back, you must be getting this. Okay, it's pretty normal. He say, अच्छा, you're a stand-up. Do you have any jokes? So, and the first answer that comes out of my mouth normally is, I think I left some in my car, okay. I'm not carrying any jokes, I'm sorry. So, okay, and in the midst of this, he tells me, okay, do you remember Robert? I'm like, yeah, I do remember. He went through a bad divorce or something, right? I'm like, yeah, he's gone out again and he's getting married again. I'm like, yeah, that's great for him, yeah. Acha, मेरी तरफ से congratulate कर देना. But I need some help from you. I'm like, what do you want from me? Well, he's just asked me to be his best man at his wedding, okay. So can you write me a funny best man speech? And my head is like, but what, why? In my head I'm thinking why do it? And पता है they rub it in. They say यार थोड़ा जल्दी लिख के दे सकते हो. This is kind of short notice. मेरे पास time नहीं है. थोड़ा अच्छा लिख के दे देना please. हाँ. And so the first thing I told him, so why don't you start with, फिर से एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आप सबका. Since he's getting married again. See, COVID. See, this is what we have to go through. COVID taught a lot of people a lot of things, I guess. Okay, one of the few things I picked up as a habit on COVID was I keep reading a lot of news. But I started reading a lot of world news also. And क्या होता है ना कि we notice little things. I came across some hilarious pieces. Okay, this is a factual piece. I'll just narrate one. This is factual. You can Google this. Pakistan International Airlines had a flight. लोग पहले से ही हंसने लगे. So Pakistan International Airlines had a flight from Karachi to Medina. The carrying capacity in that flight, crew, pilot, passengers, was 409 people. That flight took off with 416 people. Now you're wondering what happened to these 7 people. The pilot was informed mid-flight कि 7 लोग extra हैं. Pilot बोले अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, adjust करो. 7 लोग 3 घंटे की flight में खड़े होके गए हैं, पता है? This is one of those हाथीगांव moments. हाँ, बस पार्क होता है ना, खुमाई जाओ, खाली गाड़ी, खुमाई जाओ. It's almost like that. This is factual news, okay. So I'm going to recite 2 pieces of stand-up. Okay, I'm going to recite 2 pieces of poetry here today. One is, see, जैसे COVID के टाइम में बात हुई थी ना कि a lot of people felt really down. People had problems. People had genuine problems. People faced those problems, and आज भी people are recovering from those problems. Okay, they were serious problems. उसमें क्या होता है ना कि see, you have to channelize that conflict within yourself. You have to think in your head that how do I fight this? You survived. A great hats off to everyone. You survived. Whatever happened had happened. Still going on. ठीक है, vaccines are out there. It's still happening out there. But you survived. You picked up yourself. You pick up the pieces. You moved on. So that is where you need to channelize your inner conflict. So that is one of my first pieces that I'm going to narrate. I call this the fight within. Confidence is silent. Insecurities are loud. There are often fleeting moments in life when you're not particularly proud. As you look at your reflection, thinking, is it really just me or a palpable shroud? Is this gonna be just a passing memory or it'll rain down like an ominous cloud? When you could have said something but didn't find the courage. Whatever held you back then is now contemplating demurrage. Which brings to fore, with mind abused by emotions and sore, that yet amidst all the galore, one day you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you'll remember. Don't assume for a moment it would be kind. So you gotta stick it all together. Face those foes with zest and never for a moment surrender, for you won't know what could have been if you don't retort with candidness and splendor. The road might be tough and emotions being barefoot on patches of rough. No one's gonna smother for you the tide coming in. It is only you who has to channelize that conflict within. In such times, don't be violent or rebel in anguish and shout. Remember, confidence is silent, insecurities are loud. Thank you. The second piece that I'm going to narrate has a small story behind it. Okay. I took an initiative around 2000, and not that old, okay, as I'm recalling back this, around 2002. My father needed blood, okay, and I had to run from pillar to post to get blood. That time I took a self call that I'm going to donate blood. And I took a motto on myself that I'm going to donate blood at least 50 to 100 times. I've donated 31 times till today. Thank you. See, it is something जो मेरे पास है, जो मैं दे सकता हूँ, doesn't harm me in any manner whatsoever, and it can go on a long way to help people. Okay, I remember, I think this was the 27th or the 28th time, I met this one lady. उसके बेटे को थैलेसेमा था. She needed around 8 units of blood. Okay, and we could manage about 5 units for her. As I walked out after donating blood, she had almost tears in her eyes and she said, how am I going to thank you? I don't know. हम बोला, there's a very simple, you need anything, I'll do for you. That was the extent. कोई बीमार होता है ना तब हम ये realize करते हैं, right? So I said, you can do one thing. I need something from you. Take a pledge today. Donate blood. Doesn't cost much. Takes 10 minutes out of your time. 15 मिनट लाइन में खड़ा होना पड़ता, देखो उसका टाइम अलग है, बट इट डजंट कॉस्ट मच. सो दिस इज अ मोटिवेटिंग थिंग दैट आई रोट. आई कॉल दिस ब्लडी बैटल्स. ओके, skin, bones and physique might make you look like a stud. Ever wonder what makes them all tick is a red liquid called blood? We all need a little extra at some stage in life. When you're on your bed struggling against diseases with strife, be it routine procedures or surgery under a knife. Blood at times becomes a scarcity, disdainfully making you thrive. A healthy life is an opportunity, not to be wasted with profanity, because helping others is not an exercise in vanity. A simple act of caring creates an endless ripple. 1 unit of blood won't ever make you feel crippled. This robust bodily mechanism won't head towards whittle, so the thought of giving it to someone in need should be instant like second fiddle. The starting point of all achievement is desire. That feeling of elation won't ever let you tire. For good deeds don't warrant invitations prior. As you'll be putting smiles on faces of those who were very ready to perspire. So make that effort and let it inspire, and let this campaign spread like wildfire. Let's be the change that spreads across in a scud, bringing forth emotions overwhelming with a thud. As said before, physical appearance might make you look like a stud, but what makes them all tick is that red liquid called blood. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.